Hello, little ones! Today we are going to draw a color rainbow. And we are going to start with a little cloud here with a curve. Then another one a little bit smaller. And another one in the other side. Then another little curve. And another one the same in the opposite side. And you can do another big one and another smaller one. Great! And let us do another cloud in the opposite side. Another curve and another little curve. Another one in the opposite side and another one. And if you want the opposite from the other one, a bigger one and smaller. A bigger one and smaller. So they're opposite. So this one is gonna be the girly one. So we are gonna do cutie eyes. Take your time. 2 circles. And a bigger circle and a smaller circle. A bigger circle and a smaller circle. And let's fill them up inside. Great! Now, let's do the little eyelashes. We can do maybe 2. Have fun! And a little cutie smile. Great! How about we do tiny eyebrows? Yay! Now let's do the boy. 1 circle and 2 circles. Now the cutie eyes. Remember, a bigger circle and a smaller circle. Now let's fill it in. Great! And the eyebrows. And a cutie smile. Now with your little hands, let's use your hand as if it was a compass. And use these little fingers. And you're gonna calculate like a compass. That's gonna be our reference, okay? Like so. So I am going to do a little dot right here. 1 dot right here in the center. And 1 dot here. And that's gonna be our first curve for the rainbow. We can do this together. Oh, keep it open. Okay, it's okay because we're gonna put a thicker marker after. Then we're gonna do a second line and you can do over the same way. You know? But we have the reference of this line. So we can follow this line. Ready? Okay, let's do this. You can leave it maybe the width of one of your little fingers. Let's do it again. Follow the same curve. And we're leaving a little space to paint inside this colorful rainbow inside. So slowly. Take your time. How many we have? 1, 2, 3. Let's make 3 more. 1. You can do this. Almost done. Whee! Go really slow. And you see where I put my hand? You can put where you feel more comfortable. I put my elbow right out here outside of the page a little bit so I can move this way. Great. Continue with this last one. If you have to stop, it's okay. And then you take it where you left it. Great job! These clouds are really like twins. And they want to hold hands. So So we are going to help them hold their hands with two little curves, and the kitty hands are gonna look like gloves. You can do them the way you reach to do the hands, and then the other kitty hand is gonna be holding this other one. Let's see how we want to do it. Great! It looks almost like a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up to Mommy's art school! You can do your hands the way you want them to be done. And remember, the art is meant to be fun, so you can choose to make the hands however you enjoy. I'll do the glove style. Why don't we add a couple of hearts? We do a little curve and a little line. And if you want to slowly learn how to make a heart, we invite you to watch our first video where we did the angel heart. Now, I'm gonna use the thicker marker and I'm gonna fix this line. Great! This way and the other way. Now, let's draw the top one a little by little. Great! And we're gonna do a big line on the clouds. The little girl. Great! Okay, now it's one of the most fun times. Gee! Let's start to paint this rainbow with purple. You're just going to put a little paint and spread it. Have a lot of fun. Spread it out. Great. I'm going to continue with glue, but you can also choose your own colors that you wish to paint this color. Rainbow, na 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 na, na na na. The most important thing when you do art is to enjoy. The blue is done. Now let's continue with green. So let's sing together. Rainbow, na 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 na, na 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 na. Rainbow, na 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 na. Now let's continue with yellow. Rainbow, na 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 na, na 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 na. Rainbow, na 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 na, na 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 na. Great. Now we're going to continue with orange. Okay, take your time. Sing with me. Rainbow, na 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 na, na 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 na. We love rainbows. Now red. Sing again. Rainbows, na 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 na, na 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 na. Rainbow, na 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 na, na 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 na. We love rainbows, na 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 na, na 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 na. Awesome! Why don't we paint the little hearts red? And we can leave a little bit of area, a little white, so it looks like a little bit of light, like a little bit of a shiny spot on the heart. Great! Now, one of the other very fun parts is to add this glue sparkle. So I'm gonna leave it with a lot of it, make it a lot very magical. Let's do this together. You can do it slowly, just one line after the other one. Now I'm gonna continue with the green one. Okay, I'm gonna go like this. You take your time. In this case, like I mentioned, I'm just gonna leave it the way that I'm putting. And this is gonna be the most sparkly rainbow we have ever seen. Now the other color is orange, like Do it really slow. Good job. Do it again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, this color is red. I don't have red, so I am going to use transparent glue sparkle. And I'm gonna fill it in all the way. And do you want to put sparkle on the hearts too? Let's do it! How about the clouds? If you want, you can add a tiny little bit of your favorite colors. I'm gonna add a little bit of blue to make it a little shiny. Yeah? Great, everybody! And remember, the most important part of doing art is having fun. Yay! And your sparkly rainbow is done! Congratulations, everybody! And don't forget to click subscribe and like so you never miss another adventure. Ciao, ciao!